Imagine if you could step into the sun and never need to eat again. Sounds impossible, right? But somewhere beneath the waves, there's a tiny creature that does exactly that. A sea slug that photosynthesizes. Meet the incredible Elysia chlorotica, also known as the solar-powered slug. Most animals eat to survive, but this one feeds on sunlight. When it munches on algae, specifically Vaucaria littorea, it doesn't just digest it. No, it absorbs the algae's chloroplasts, the little green machines that plants use to turn sunlight into energy. And once they're inside the slug's body, they keep working, just like they did in the algae. So this little slugot can go months without eating, just by soaking up the sun. But hold on, how do those chloroplasts even survive inside an animal's body? That shouldn't be possible. Scientists dug deeper and found something wild. The slug's DNA actually contains genes that look like they came from the algae itself. That means it didn't just steal chloroplasts, it stole the blueprints to keep them alive. This process is called horizontal gene transfer. It's basically borrowing software from another species. Think about that. Evolution as a kind of cosmic download. So what is Elysia chlorotica really? A plant? An animal? Something. In between? Technically, it's still an animal, but it blurs the boundary between two kingdoms of life. It moves and eats like an animal, yet it creates food from sunlight like a plant. It's nature saying, why choose? Maybe the categories we make, plant, animal, predator, prey, aren't as separate as we think. Despite its powers, the sea slug lives a fragile life. You'll find it only in shallow marshes along the North American coast. But when pollution hits, or its algae disappears, the slug's green magic fades. Still, for a moment in time, it exists as something extraordinary. A symbol of how cooperation and adaptation can create something entirely new. So next time you see sunlight shimmering on the surface of the ocean, remember, somewhere down there, a tiny green slug is quietly turning light into life. A creature that stole the sun and reminded us how deeply connected all life truly is. Until then, stay curious, and thanks for watching.